This is a 2000 Ford Expedition. It has a 4.6-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include power-adjustable driver pedals, a double wishbone independent front suspension, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a 7-speaker audio system, a leather interior, 17-inch wheels, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and cruise control. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Champion Ford Katy is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your new vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 20777 Interstate 10 West in Katy.